Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and make a game pass on Roblox on mobile. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're gonna simply start our video. For the matter, what you have to do is simply gonna go ahead, first access your browser in your mobile phone, and you're simply gonna go back and you're simply gonna go ahead, search roblox.com here in the search bar and tap on this continuing browser option. You cannot do it from your app, so afterwards tap on this create option given on top. Here in the section you're going to find all of the experiences of yours. Go ahead, tap on this experiences and tap on this view all, and again you will find your particular experience. So as the first thing, you can choose where to. So since this is the platform where you want to create a game pass, go ahead, tap on the particular experience of yours, and this overview section gonna appear. Afterwards, if you tap on this three horizontal line on top left corner of your screen, you will find this option called associated items. Once you have tapped on that associated items, you will find this option called create a badge, and then beside you will find this passes and develop a product. In the passes section you're going to choose, and then you're going to be able to tap on this create a pass option and create a pass according to you for your audience. That's how you can simply create yourself a pass and share it with anybody you like. That is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.